Hello and welcome to our new tutorial. Today, in this video, we will talk about the key features of artificial intelligence. If you still don't know about artificial intelligence, watch our previous short tutorial. By the way, if you are watching first time, let me tell you that we upload awesome videos of latest technology, scientific news, and information every single day. If you want to be aware of latest news in science and technology, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon below, so you never miss a single of our new video. Jump into the topic. In the previous video, we talk about AI, and now we are going to learn about some of the basic features of AI. Number 1 is learning. AI system first learn from data and then improve their capabilities over time. Number 2 is reasoning. AI can use logic inference rule to solve the problem. It analyze the available data, take the most appropriate action. Number 3 is self-correction. AI can monitor their performance and learn from experience. Like you may know that Google was not that much authentic when it was first time launched. It had many flaws in their results, but now over the time it has overcome on all the mistakes and provide 100% result. Number 4 is computer vision. AI can understand and analyze visual inputs like images and video using pattern recognition. Working of tags option in Facebook, which recognize the face automatically and suggest the person name. Machine understand an image or video, it uses it for next time recognition. Last but not the least is robotics. AI is used to develop autonomous robots and cars that perform tasks without human oversight. The very good example of it is Tesla cars recently launched, which are well trained and can have the ability to decide where to stop and where not. It analyzes the situations, make decisions, and operate. So it was our today's tutorial of latest AI features. Hope you have enjoyed and learned a lot from it. If you enjoyed, then like this tutorial, share and please subscribe the channel for our motivations. Thanks for watching.